It has been a hot minute since I have done any type of unboxing on my channel. Funny story. Andy from Andy Does Stuff tagged me on Instagram in a giveaway. And in order to enter the giveaway, I had to do certain things that I can't do on my computer. I always pretty much interact with Instagram on my PC, not on my phone. Your phone and Instagram or your phone and TikTok are dangerous. I try to stay away from those apps on my phone. But in order to enter this giveaway, I had to use my phone. So I picked up my phone to do all the things to enter the giveaway. The next thing I knew, I had signed up for a year's worth of FabFitFun, and I had also signed up for a year's membership of Stars. This is why I don't do Instagram on my phone. So, this is the winter box. I was able to pick all of my choices, but along with signing up for the yearly subscription, I got the Advent calendar, the 2025 Advent calendar, for free. For free. The deal was just too good to pass up, and also I had like a $200 and some credit on one of my credit cards, so I used that for my yearly subscription. So I think this ended up costing me like somewhere between $50 and $70 for the entire year. So let's unbox them and see what I got, because the last time that I signed up for FabFitFun, I was not impressed. But that was also for a free box where you just pay the shipping. I didn't get to curate it for myself or pick anything. So we're going to see how this experience goes. I'm very open-minded because Andy loves her subscription. Enough jibber jabber. Let's open these boxes. Hey, howdy, hey, y'all. Let's start off with the winter box, and then we'll do the Advent. When I was picking my choices, I did not keep up with what the options were. The next time that I do a box, I will. I also, at the end of the video, will tell you what the value of the box was. I got a blanket. I love blankets. Love them. I have way more blankets than I need. This is Sunday Citizen. And I think this blanket retails for like $68. I love the color. This is a Leanna color straight up. The bad thing about this color is it's going to show all of Dexter's cat hair because he's yellow. All of it. And they love blankets just as much as I do. It is a little thinner than I expected, but I think it's a good weight. You can tell that it's very well made. It's not see-through. It's very soft, and it will be perfect for cozying up in a chair and reading a book or journaling with a nice hot cup of coffee. I also chose this KitchenAid grater. I have always wanted one of these. I had no idea that it was going to be this big. That is massive. But you know, KitchenAid is a very nice brand. So I'm looking forward to using this. Along with that, I got a recipe journal. This is Papier Recipe Journal. I am currently using a notebook, just a notebook, which is fine. But this is a nice hardback journal. And when I saw the picture of it, I almost did not get it because I didn't know what the quality was going to be. But as you can see, this is lined. I don't know if it's going to pick up. Oh, there we go, a little bit. That it has lots of room for you to put a rating, the difficulty, all of your ingredients, whether it's vegan, gluten-free, dairy-free. That's on this side, and then this whole side is for your recipe. And they have different sections. So that's the breakfast section. Then you have treats, you have dinner, you have lunch. Very nice, very nicely made. I am very excited about this. I'm really shocked at the quality. I was not expecting that at all. Now moving on to skincare, I got the Perricone MD Essential FX Icyl Glutathione Eyelid Lift Serum. I love anything that will help my eyes. It has a dropper, which is nice, and I believe that this was like $128, which I would never pay that much, but I am looking forward to trying that out. It's supposed to visibly smooth the appearance of eyelid creases, crepiness, and uneven texture. Absolutely 100% what I've got going on. This is the new company, and this is Magnesium Ease. It is magnesium and lavender sleep support body spray. And I have talked about magnesium spray repeatedly here on my channel. I have a link for it in my Amazon store because it is phenomenal. Most of us are absolutely deficient in magnesium, and a magnesium deficiency causes lots and lots of problems. So anytime I can try something new with magnesium, I always grab it. Let's see if we can smell the lavender. Yes, that smells really good. I am going to enjoy that immensely. I love my magnesium spray. And the last item in my box is a deodorant. I am constantly on the lookout for a healthier version of a deodorant that doesn't have all the bad stuff in it. Most of the clean, healthier versions end up causing a rash. I'm expecting this one to do that as well. This is the deodorant balm from AKT. It is petitgrain, mandarin, and neroli. It's in a metal tube, and it is sealed because it's metal. I have a little bit on my finger. It smells good. It's gritty. So I am unfortunately about 90% certain, because of the gritty feel of it, that it's not going to work for me. It says to place the desired amount on your finger or the applicator. There is no applicator. Okay, so that was my winter box. Let me open up the advent calendar and we will see what's in there. This thing is massive. It says peace, love, and joy. And then you open it up and there are 12. Is that right? There are 12 sections. Smart thing would be to do this one day at a time, but I'm impatient and y'all want to see, right? Let's start with day 1. We have Commodity Milk, which is a perfume. After I open them all, we'll go through what they are. Oh, it's a little jewelry box. That was 2. Here's number 3. Number 3 is Core's Body Smoothing Milk. Vanilla Cinnamon. Ooh, that sounds good. I love Core's. That was 3. Got 4 down here. 4 is Nails Ink Step 1 Gel. It's a little red polish. I think the shade is called Kindle. That was 4. Number 5. Number 5 is Ather Beauty. It is a rose quartz crystal quad. A little eyeshadow palette. Number 6. Oh, it's Verb. This is a light hold and defrizz hydrating styling cream for dry hair. Number 7. This is Siblings, Palo Santo, Marshmallow, Burnt Sugar Candle. Ooh, that sounds right up Leanna's alley. Number 8 is Tula. This is Gold Glow and Get It Cooling and Brightening Eye Balm. Number 9 is Dr. Jart. This is Hydro Plump Water Cream. Number 10 is Hourglass, Satin Cream Lipstick. Number 11, Patchology, Severe Chill On Ice Firming Eye Gels. I love a good eye gel too. And also a face mask, Hydrogel Firming Face Mask. And last but not least, number 12 is a pair of socks, Unhide Softy Socks, and they are extremely soft. These socks are very, very soft. I do like to put these on. These will go good when I'm in the chair, wrapped up in my blanket, reading a book or journaling. I can put these on my feet. The cats will love it because one of my cats loves to lay on my feet. It's crazy. These are nice. I'm not crazy about face mask. They're cold and I don't like it. I much prefer like a clay type mask, but I am excited about the firming eye gel. Let's look at this little Ather Beauty eyeshadow palette. I have tried a couple of their eyeshadow palettes and I loved the color story, but I was not all that impressed with the formula. Oh, well, this is cute. That's super cute. I do love that their packaging is very planet friendly. That's a cute little palette. I also love that they put a message in the lid of their palettes. It has a little shade saver that has the names on it. Nice little rose quartz crystal quad. Commodity Milk, modern American perfumery that's rethinking fragrance. And this is expressive. Oh, that smells lovely. Oh, I really like that. I have to revisit that after it cooks a little bit. Hourglass lipstick. This is a bullet lip, and it is in the shade Larch, which looks like a nice shade. You see that right there. Oh, the packaging is really nice. Oh, I like that shade. Oh, yeah. Love that shade. You know, you have to smell everything. Cute packaging. The packaging does feel a little cheap for it to be Hourglass. The Tula Skincare Cooling and Brightening Eye Balm. It's a nice little packaging. That's interesting. Oh, it's a stick. Oh, it's a stick. And that's the little cap that was covering it. Okay. Well, I'm excited to try that. Probiotics and superfood. Y'all. Oh my gosh. That smells so good. Dr. Jart. I have used a few Dr. Jart products and I did like them. Oh, the packaging is nice. Oh, it's sealed. Do I want to? I'm not going to open it. Hydro Plump Water Cream. I'm excited because I do not like a thick cream or lotion or anything to put on my face. It causes me to have milia. I don't care what Dr. What's her name? I can't think of her name right at the moment. She says that that's not so, but it is so. Pores. Body Smoothing Milk, Vanilla Cinnamon. That sounds wonderful. And it is sealed as well. I gotta smell it. Oh, gosh. Ooh. Oh, that smells wonderful. My legs right at the moment are extremely dry. They get extremely dry in the wintertime, and then they itch like I need a metal hairbrush to scratch them bloody because they itch so bad. And I put stuff on them and put stuff on them. And this is the candle. It says reuse, refill, and relax. She can buy refills for it. Siblings, bougie perfume, it says. Siblings was born out of passion for cozy, clean living. Here's what the candle looks like. Oh, that smells really good. I love a good candle. As y'all can see, I got candles going on, and this is supposed to be clean, which is nice. I'll have to do some research and see if they sell refills for their, that's a glass jar. Yes, save 20% on your first refill with code COZY again. Very nice. I really, really like that. I like that concept a lot. And the little jewelry case. This is a travel jewelry case. Look at the little jewelry case. How cute is that? I do not have a travel jewelry case. Put that right in your purse so that you can keep your jewelry with you when you travel. That is really cute. I really like that. It's got a little place for like necklaces, these little clips, ring. That is super cute. Very, very cute. I like it. The nail polish, it's topless. Step 1 gel manicure. Nails Ink. I don't know that I've heard of them, have I? And I think it's in the shade Kindle. That's a pretty red. And then last is the Verb Light Hold Defrizz Hydrating Curling Cream for dry, styling cream, not curling, for dry hair. This is sealed as well. I'm not going to open it. So I'm happy with everything I got. I seriously was not happy with the very first FabFitFun box that I got. They do have where you can try out a box. You just pay shipping and handling. I don't know what that is right at the moment because I haven't really looked. I do have the option to send a free box. I don't know what the shipping would be. Every season I get a limited opportunity to send free starter boxes to friends, and the box is valued at over $125. You just pay shipping. Comes with 2 to 3 full-size premium products, which offer them a perfect sneak peek at the real deal. I have 2 invites available, so if anybody is interested in getting a free box and just paying the shipping, you can comment and let me know, or you can message me through Instagram. My Instagram handle is down in the description box of this video. So that's it. It was a long one. It was fun, though. I haven't done an unboxing in a hot minute. I really do miss doing unboxings and all the subscription boxes. They were so much fun. And that's why I have way too much stuff now. But I think I'm going to enjoy this, especially since I get to pick all of my products. Let me add up the value of my winter box and let you know how much that was. So the total value of my winter box comes to $315.99, which is a steal compared to, I mean, you pay less than that for the entire year. And then I paid even less than that because I had a credit balance. So I'm super excited to be able to customize my second box. I need to pay attention to when that happens so that I don't miss out on it. Thanks for hanging out with me. If you're new, my name is Leanna. I would appreciate it if you would show that like button some love. Hype me up. There's a little hype thing if you're on your mobile phone down there. That would really help out my channel. There's also another video on the screen that was picked just for you if you have some more time and would like to watch another one of my videos. I will see y'all in the next one. Okay. Love you. Bye.